Hi there, my name is Tristan Bailey. I run Holding Bay and I'm the host of the Cliff Notes podcast. It was a great podcast on people, processes, and technology in manufacturing business. And we can come and find out what happens on the shop floor and what people are thinking about it for implementing these new processes. This week, though, we focus more on management and leadership. And we spoke to Mick Tilley of Tried&True up in North Yorkshire, where, as he styles himself, a failed comedian, a failed lawyer, a failed MMA fighter. But when it comes to marketing and running his business, he's it. So, come and join us and find out more about how he specialised in bringing on people like himself that are across the spectrum of abilities and learning styles, and how he harnessed that to be the most creative and compassionate leader and staff that he could be. Adapting to their way they work best, gave out the best for their customers. So come and join us and come and listen to episode 43, which is now out online. Take care and come and talk back to us afterwards.